we got something a little different for y'all. We're going to try, I just cooked some country style ribs, pork ribs. And I'm going to try and make a panini sandwich out of one of them. We'll bring it right back. All right, my press is up to temp. We're going to go ahead and get some butter on some of these buns. I want to toast this bun first. I hope it's up to temp. Plenty hot. Butter, I guess you call it cheap too. Parquet and spray. I tell you, man, I had a different brand before, but this Parquet's pretty good. I'm happy with it. We're gonna let these grill a little bit and we'll bring you back. All right, so the rolls are toasted. All right, we're gonna give this a shot. So I've already shred the pork loin. I did put a little bit of the juice in there. My roll is tenderized, or toasted rather, just to help with the, so it doesn't get so soggy is what I was thinking. So we're gonna go ahead and put our shredded, I keep saying country style pork rib, but it's actually, you know, a pork loin for the most part. Poblano peppers that were also braised, roasted, and then braised, and that Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce and all that seasonings. We're gonna bring in some of our onion, without a doubt. If this works, I'll be happy. I went for some more of that panela cheese, but my store was out of it. So I got my mozzarella, farm shredded style mozzarella. I thought about squirting a little bit more of that Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce on them. But I tell you what, I mean, it cooked with the barbecue sauce and then it braised in that barbecue sauce. So it has a strong Uncle Steve's sauce with no name flavor to it, but oh, what the hell. You talked me into it. Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on here. Like I said, it's already been cooked in it. It really don't need any of it at all. I just know if I don't, I'm gonna wish I had. And this way, since I did it, can't be mad at myself later. Well, here goes nothing. It's sizzling. We're going to give that a couple minutes and we'll bring it back. Alright, let's give him a checkup. Uh-oh. I'd say that looks pretty daggone good. I'd even say that's probably done. We'll bring it right back. Alright, this thing is going to be piping hot. We got them off. We got one of them cut in half. I know I'm going to get burnt. That melted cheese that got crispy, that's a flavor in its own. Man, that is some kind of good. Excellent.